Hello students, BA Part 2nd, Semester 3rd, Subject English Literature. In last video, we learned Part 2nd of an essay, My Fortune. In this part, we learn half summary of this essay. Today, we are going to learn next part of this essay. In this part, we will learn another detailed information about this essay. So here we discuss our writer met to Madam Das, and after that she is telling future of him. She began to gaze into the crystal in his hand. She told him that money is coming from two directions. Look at the gentleman. After that, she has given a crystal to his hand and she told money is coming two directions. These directions are who is the younger, dark with the thin face. These two will bring him a lot of money. There is a one thin faced man came here, yeah, he gives the money to writer. Like that, she shared to him. These two will bring him a lot of money, but he has to sign contract. Definitely, money will be come, but he has to sign on the contract. After that, he will get the money. Like that, she told to him. He had already signed for plays, films, serials, stories, short stories, $500 article on the American woman. So he signed on plays, films, serial stories, short stories, $500 articles or the American woman. So definitely he is a writer, he signed, and after that he write the script because our writer was scripter. So after sign on these activities, films, serials, short stories, he will get the money like she told. The writer wanted to ask some question, but she told him that he was reserved, sensitive, affectionate, misunderstood, witty, and keen brain. Here, writer desired to ask the question, but before it, she told writer is sensitive, writer is affectionate, writer is misunderstood, writer is witty and keen brain. So like that, she praised to him. After praising, he can't told any single word because that is a human psyche. Someone prays to us, so definitely we also flow in that praising and we never criticize to that person and we think about that person is good. That also situation happened with also writer. He asks her about O. O means fees. So after also in also village someone tells future to us, definitely we give fee to them in grain or crop in money. Like that also writer asks about O. O means fee of the fortune. So she replied, half a crown if he is satisfied. And she replied, give me half a crown if he is satisfied. Means she told, means she identified psychology of man, and like that she talked. So there is too much power in psychology. Understood? So remember the psyche of the man. Just like that she told, if you are the satisfied, you are the comfort, definitely you will give half a crown. He told her that he is satisfied And after that also he told, yes, I am satisfied. Without knowing his age of profession or personal history, think about, without knowing his personal history, her profession, her job, easily writer gives half a crown to her. So that is the fee of her. She has deliberately created rather than arising spontaneously. Yes. So like that also she originally spontaneously tell the future to one by one, and like she told future of writer. She secretly believed whatever she said, and writer believed on her opinion, whatever she said about his fortune. He thought that the session was worth 100 crowns. She was visit a magic mirror. And after that, he thought his session was best like the 100 crowns. And now it was a visit to magic mirror. Means he felt that I visit to magic mirror. So there is one type of the magic like that. Writer failed. As the writer went out, other two persons were waiting their door. Think about us. Means other two persons are waiting to see their fortune. Means at that time, maximum people believe on the future because their people are in disturb. That's why they believe on the future. And after hearing future or fortune, they become satisfied. That is the situation at the time. There were to be reserved, affectionate, sensitive, misunderstand, unfortunate, perhaps they rush into prosperity. So after that, she told a fortune of writer like that. Also, she tells the fortune of two peoples which are waiting. Means method is same, pattern is same about the fortune. Means these activities are happened with human being. Definitely, this activity Madam does tell to customers or who come to hear futures. So like that also she told to them they are reserved, affectionate, sensitive, misunderstood, unfortunate. So so in this way, thus he passed the door of the proposed word son. So writer held that I passed the door of proposed word and sons because they are the famous also. And surveyors and J.C. Burton and co-inquiry agents and descended into the world again. And he also thought we or he descended in they, like proper word and son, servers and J.C. Burton and co-inquiry agents. So here also writer mention here what is fortune. Means we criticize about the fortune, about the hearing future or telling future, who told the future. But definitely also we go there, and after hearing of fortune we become the satisfied. So like that situation which happened in this essay, and through this essay writer want to tell what is fortune. Either you believe or not believe, but maximum people believe on the fortune in this society. So in this way, this essay has been completed. You read properly, yeah, you try to understand this video. Definitely if you listen carefully this video, so we will benefit of this video in UGT exam. So in next video we will learn the next part of this essay. Thank you.